Good afternoon. I'm actually streaming today. I didn't think I was gonna do any more Friday streams, but turns out I am. And today's the day. Reason being, I want to. I just want to stream today. So I'm doing this for myself, and we'll just see how it goes. I'm working on the we need to change that. Let's go ahead. My Nightbot is not up to date on the commands. See, this is the wrong code, so we'll edit that. That should be this code. Now the command's up to date. And everything else is good to go. Let me know if you have any issues with the music or, you know, anything else. This is in progress. Look at that code, cuz. Okay. So it's been a long time since I've had this open. Is this open main? That box stopped. I think our tests were failing. Check that the, oh my gosh, is up to date with video files. At some point, I don't want to be running this. I think it's fine to have a file like this. For good Go West videos. But, right, I want to add 4G, the other 4G Utah videos, so when I make the Slackbot integration, my goodness, I have so many plans for this. All the plans. Right, buddy? Oh. Can I scoot my chair up without bugging you? Yeah, I know, I'm making a noise. He sits, like, right next to the wheels of my chair, my little dog does. And so, like, he's always at a risk. Being run over. There was something. I don't remember what our next steps were because it's been so long. Inactive. We had a linter problem. And I don't think our checks are passing. Yes. Hey, Chaotic Knight! I finally did a stream. I finally pulled up a stream so where I can write code. You know? I did that. I added a timer. Yes. I added a shutdown function. didn't die. He didn't die. Oh, what was my Docker file? Ivor Scott is live. I didn't know he was live. What are we doing today? Hey Ivor, how you doing? How'd your stream go? Is this a coffee break? If I build a Twitter bot, am I contributing to the problem that's causing Elon Musk to not purchase Twitter? That's the question. Am I contributing to the problem? I don't know. Strudelpuff! Thanks for that follow. That's not the right one. It should just not. Oh, I need to source. Nope, not any of those. I think it's secret. Now it should run. It has been so long since I've done this. Setting up slash commands. I'm thinking about how about taking the Discord bot out? I think I might be able to accomplish. I mean, I do want a Slack integration because we do run so much stuff out of Slack. But I would really like to. I think that yeah, I'm toying with the idea of removing the Discord one. And then that's not it. And just making it an API. This is all my stuff. How I don't. This runs. So then what was it a test that was broken? There was something broken. There was a reason I didn't merge this. And the only way I can think to check, I'm not going to go back and look at previous streams to check why. What model is my keyboard? G915. Whoa, I can't even exit. I think that's a problem. Control C doesn't work. Jacobico! How are you? I want you to know you're now my official, like, all-time subscription leader. I'm glad to see you. Do you remember where we were at? And why I can't stop this? What's on port? What's on port 800? I don't even remember. It was like health, right? Oh, there it is, see? 7201. 7201. We are live, okay. I know one way to kill it is to do that. Code, go projects, tweet, automated bot. How did I break that? All I did, and I know what I did, I added this shutdown. And it does have a sig in. Right? Yeah, but it's not listening to it. Like, I run the shutdown right here, which is fine. But it's only listening for context.done. It's not listening for the signal. What did I do? Where's my main go? Yeah. Client shutdown. Yeah, but I moved client shutdown somewhere else, didn't I? Oh, I do need that. Pretty sure. Oh, I do need to source my secrets again. Oh, F. What did I do? Why is Chrome open? There we go. Signal, notify. Where is my OS signal? That's what I need. There is a way. How do you force quit? Go. Force quit. Go. Or how about with Golang control C not working? That's not how you spell working. Oh, that's what that. Well, we'll just do it my way. How do you close one? Oh, I knew that. So we need to figure out where the OS signal is. So I do make the OS signal, which is a channel of OS signal, and it writes to that. And so I have I thought I was being real smart. By doing this. But I'm not, like, this shouldn't be able to do all of that. So I think I'm fine with this. But this should be something else. Go, and then this would be func. Shutdown is in it, right? Because shutdown closes everything. But it doesn't actually, right? And this is, so this is the receive signal location. Okay, Copilot says it's enabled online. Yeah, something like that. So now it's actually listening for it and then calls shutdown. Yeah. Because everything else it does after it receives it. I'm happy with that. Yeah, but what was C? Oh, here it is. Every 20 times the hour times 24 times 7, so that's once a week. Well, this is just for us. So let's do it times minute. We'll just do every minute. And then okay, it does update the sent at. I'm gonna be checking it, so that's just fine. That migration to the database is sure taking a long time. Is it because I am spamming myself? Like last time it just printed table is not empty. I probably don't need these, but it's gonna make me feel good for a minute. Especially because now, for some weird reason, I'm not able to, like, talk to the database. There we go. So now we're supposed to be posting a new thing every minute. So 322, 323. Let's go to 324. And then we'll check our database. I mean, we can just check the database anyway. But I should... Oh, it worked! Killer. It worked! Now let's see if I can Control-C that sucker. No! Okay, I'm gonna undo some stuff. No! Maybe my problem was, I mean, I forgot where I did it, but maybe my problem was adding the signal channel to the client. I'm gonna let it post a couple of those so I can check to the database, make sure they're updating. puppies. Okay. No. Purple Skittle. Okay, bud. What did I change? Oh yeah, let's go. Bash dev. Run database. Oh. Perfect. I initialized the correct time and they updated appropriately. So now the only thing I need to figure out well, let's go to the DB. Was it here? Or was it in the client that I set it up? Yeah, this thing I don't think it should be there. I think we need this over here. Get over it. And here, instead of client shutdown, we're gonna put SC. And here we're gonna put SC. Right? And the other thing is here in the, not the run Discord dot. There we go. We need this to be back to once a week. And I really don't care when during the week. Just want it once a week. (3:30 p.m.) We've been streaming for half an hour. Because you took a really long lunch. I did. I took a really long lunch. And now I'm streaming. And I don't know if this'll work. But it's a thing and I'm doing it. And I am also unlocking chests in Clash Royale. Because they're running a special this month where the goblins are boosted. I guess the goblins are only boosted for 2 more days. And my team has been killing it. I've gone up a whole arena level into half. I'm almost 2 arena levels just from this boost on the goblins. So, Clash Royale's where it's at. What am I using client for? This is receiving a context done. Could that be blocking too? Waiting for this magic context done? Oh. Migrating database. Well, that worked. Why is it taking so long to migrate the database? It doesn't need to migrate the database. I just made my SQL file a Go file. I didn't have to do that. It was just way easier at the moment than actually having a SQL file. Like, it doesn't have to run the migration step, theoretically. Oh yeah, I have this as an update. But I'm not actually updating them anymore, really. Where's that step that actually migrates it? We're just gonna comment that out. Oh, it's in main? Of course it is. Why would I put it anywhere else? How do I not have that return an error? Okay, and now. Oh! It was the Control C. Okay, let's go clean this sucker up. So, I do still want this, but that migration step is way too complicated. Get rid of this. We are live, that's all fine. I'm fine with that signal being there. Go check this migration. If row equals nil, table does not exist. Why am I even... Count limit 1. still called YT videos? Yeah. I guess I define the table stuff up here, right? I don't like them. But like, why don't I just make it all an if not exists? Like, especially with the YT video. Why isn't that an if not exists? Hey Cowtail! Nice to see you back! Right? This is way too complicated. If not exists, if not exists, if not exists. Okay, I'm fine with that. Much better name. Yeah, I'm doing my Twitter bot stuff again. It's been so long. I haven't. I don't know why. Yeah, I haven't worked on this for probably 2 months. And it should be. Alter YT alter YT last sent at, fine with that. Okay. But why do we need to check if table exists, right? We're already creating if not exists. So basically, this doesn't make any sense. Right, like, I run it either way. So I just need this, honestly. Oh, I don't want it to run. I gotcha. Actually, I don't want that. This is all I want. And then see? Told you. Funk. See? I don't think anything's gonna be sentient. And then this is gonna be add videos. And we're gonna put in a context here. Does anybody else have any thoughts on sentient AIs? this is correct. I don't need to check that. This is just going to be this. There we go. Context, yeah. And this is a add videos can be used to add test data. Result was affected. There we go. You're right, it is unused because it's just for testing. I'm really excited to get the bot running, so maybe we can deploy it. Oh, I'm sure there are some AI alarmists that are gonna be happy with that. What? What the heck is going on in Maine that I'm not aware of? Nothing. Okay, it's all fine. Get this. Okay, that's good. I changed the names to make them better. I cleaned that up. That's fine. Better name. We added that to main. Oh, yeah. Clean that up. I don't want to add a comment. I want it to be gone. Anybody want to when bots work without bugs? We're going to call this fix signal.notify and clean up the code. Anybody want to review this? Anybody feel free. I'm told. Oh, do you like it? It's a meme. It's a great gopher shirt, huh? Should be suspicious. It's like 100 degrees today, so I really did pick the worst day to wear a black shirt. But I live in an air-conditioned building, so it's fine, right? Did you know I changed my name on Twitter to be live on Twitch as Soy Pete? That's my name on Twitter right now. I bet you all didn't know that. Yeah, I got it printed. We have a bunch of merch for our conference. This is one of our things. Yeah, the gopher is ready to play Among Us. And I don't think this is one of the ones that's up there, but it is one of our GoWest designs, so... You have a coding interview? That's exciting. Is it with Weave? Are you interviewing with Weave? Good luck on your coding interview. Let me know if there's anything I can do to help. Weave backend. Well, good luck. I think there's going to be a lot of you gunning for one position, potentially. Hopefully you get it. Yeah, I just wish you the best of luck. And you feel free to use me as a reference for your Go. Feel free to actually, if you want some practice, I don't know. Let me send you something real quick. I started this forever ago. But try this. So I have two things. So I know you're leaving. If you've already gone, that's fine. Try going through this. And then leave me comments or create issues. Go through it and then create any issues you have with that repo of things you want to know or, you know, something else. And then this one as well, the production Go examples. Go work through those examples. There's a lot more than just my stuff. Oh, I'm a pool shark. I don't know what that means. That means I like to do something with pull requests. Anyway, take a look at those, and if you don't like anything, open an issue on them. And then after that, I would try gopher sizes. Wait. They're gonna probably put you through a system design interview. I don't have any resources for that. I only have resources for Go because, you know. Yeah, start with those and then let me know. Okay. I think... I have to remember, how did I deploy this? You can do the exercises in Python. Nobody's gonna stop you. They shouldn't be hard. Looks like I don't. I thought it, but I didn't. I didn't get the action that just auto-deployed my stuff to DigitalOcean up. I should. Oh, yeah, HackerRank. Ugh, I hate HackerRank. HackerRank's literally worse. Good luck. Seriously. How did I deploy this? Does anybody remember how I deployed this? So it does just read from master and deploy them. I think it's erroring out though. No, it's not. Where am I running? Okay, I'm gonna run. It's having an error. But there's a way to pull up the logs that are much better. Yeah, I think is it's not doing anything, it's just sitting there. I'm gonna go ahead and merge this sucker. Because I can. This is literally, look at this. Who built this DigitalOcean console? Like, did they do that on purpose? Did they choose to make this illegible on purpose? Somebody tell me. Command file. Oh yeah, it's using my Docker file. Oh look. You can do this and it almost becomes legible. I still got your cell, Chaotic Knight. No worries. Let me know how your interview goes. Push image. I thought this deployed on GitHub Action. I guess it doesn't. It deployed on something else. So I don't know about you, but I feel like ooh, it's deploying. That's good. Awesome. That's what I want. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Cool. Now it should actually start deploying once a week, so we'll have to check back next week and make sure, because it should be 24 hours from when it was deployed. Make sure that these stuff, that it gets deployed. So we'll check back next week and make sure we have a deployment. That's awesome. And I just said I wanted to remove Discord off. That's what I was gonna do that for. Update the README. Or add support for Forge Twitter account. What should we work on for the next hour and a half? I know that there's only like a half a person in the chat right now, but please vote. While you do that, I don't want to do it on TweetDeck. There are some stuff there. Do I have a some That doesn't make any sense. Viewers in your chat to vote in Twitch polls. Right? Where's that extra lady? That one. Right? Here's what we're sitting at so far. We're sitting at the update the README, which I am happy to do. I'll take one vote over no votes. Oh, 2 votes. That's awesome. Ugh, I'm so tired. I think I'm just tired I don't know. Maybe... I think it's work stress. I think it's stress from my new job. I'm not quite performing the way I want to in my head. Like, I do not feel like I'm performing the way I want to. And it's causing me stress and anxiety and making me very tired. I think this is normal. This is like the second time I've ever changed jobs. So clearly I haven't been writing software forever. Oh, now we're tied! Uh-oh! Somebody better do a tiebreaker, because if that doesn't work, then I'm just... Oh, add Forge Utah account. It's pulling through. Oh, I'm not voting. Unvote! I'm not voting. Oh, we got 5. Anyway. So, yeah. What else is there? Yeah, so I took a break from my hard work job. My hard work job. Is my job hard work? Feels like it to me. Took a break from my hard work job to work on this, because this is easy, because I'm the only one that defines the requirements. Right? Nobody's defining I am the only one that works on it, and it makes my life easier. Because it does. We gotta get, and then once I get the Forge Utah thing up, the other thing we need to add, new issue, is we need to add support to insert YouTube video. Add, and this should be a Slack command. Slack command for meetup organizer to insert YT, that's not how you spell insert YT video to DB. Submit an issue. Just another issue. Got all those issues. Okay, we're just over halfway with the poll, and adding the Forge Utah account is winning again. Still winning. You're doing so good at voting. I'm so proud of you, chat. So proud of my friends in chat. Thank you for being my friends. And sitting with me as I'm just sitting here tired. Theoretically, I would sleep good tonight, but I don't think, usually when I get to this kind of anxious state where my anxiety's making me tired, software is a people job. Poldot, you are correct. It is very much a people job. We do a lot of, I think, yes. I have a theory. Whenever I start new jobs, I usually... What? Cancel. I usually, really struggle, getting, PRs across the finish line. And I think that is 100% a people problem. As in, when you're new to a company, people don't trust you. And so they're very scrutinous, is scrutinous a word, of the work you do. Once you've been there for a while, they trust you. Maybe it's knowing the code base, maybe it's being familiar with the projects. I think it's a people problem. Like, and it's fine. I don't think it's like necessarily a negative. but it does kind of affect the mental space that you operate in, or at least that I operate in when starting a new job. Welcome to the stream though, Poldot. I don't think we've ever seen you here before, so glad to have you. I'm glad that you're coming to help us work on our Twitter bot, where we hope to enable our meetup organizers to leverage our Twitter. I have a really interesting idea, but I have to run this by a couple other people in our org at Forge. But I was wondering, instead of making all of these Slack, webhook, or Discord integrations, if I just made curl commands, stuck the server in a Tailscale, basically deployed the server behind Tailscale and required all of the users to have a Forge Tailscale account. Basically, it would be the exact same thing as providing ACLs that you send across on a payload, just without having to implement any kind of middleware. It would just be all done for me. It's an interesting thought. I don't know if one would be easier than the other, and if it would really be easier for the meetup organizers, because I would then have to give them all Tailscale accounts when they're already on Slack. So I could just put a bot in a private Slack account, and that would be way easier for them, and just kind of have a Slack workflow for them to fill it out. I don't know, that's just a product thought. But I'm not quite okay! Cowtel contributed some of his channel points to get some extra votes. We're going to be adding another Twitter account. So let's go ahead and do this one. Oh gosh, yes. And this is, I have to create a branch. This is really fun. That you can do that. And you can check it out locally. Use it. Cool. Oh, did that actually... See, that didn't actually do anything. Okay, so I know for part of this, I have all of these things just living as environment variables, which is fine, but I don't necessarily have to, don't need to update the environment variable quite yet. I think I can put in the infrastructure, and then look at the little smush skittles. They're you can't see them because the camera's the way it is, but they're flat. Oh, it's trying to erase them because of the color. Guess green skittles are the same color as a green screen. Okay. Main.bo is not a thing. So if I remember correctly, our client right here is what actually sets everything up. Oh yes. And we have to actually create everything. See, we have 2 Twitter clients. I think Tweetbot is the wrong name for that. So I feel like I need to draw this out in order for it to make sense, so I might do that. Just take a minute. I'm thinking through it. So essentially, I need to enable this thing. I have several Twitter accounts, and it's possible that each meetup could have their own account, and they would want to leverage this thing. So I'd need to be able to accept multiple Twitter clients. And I need to have them stored accordingly. By by unique identifier, the easiest one obviously being the Twitter handle, right? So if I change this Tweetbot field from Tweetbot to Twitter clients, I don't know how to change it. I might add an additional field and then go back and refactor it later. I mean, I'll definitely change it. It just might be 2 PRs, not 1. And we can do this just fine. And we can do this with a little bit of TBD, I think. So my thought is, when we set up new client, we're gonna have this be Twitter client, and it is a slice of pointers to a Twitter client. Now we say right here, we'll have a new function. We have a set tweet. Let's add a function here. And we'll call this C. And we don't need we don't need this to act on that. We just need to set up or make. Should we call it make, create, find, fetch, set up, Twitter, clients, because there will be multiple. right? And it will return a slice of pointer for Twitter.client. I'm gonna move this back to setup on the arrow. I don't know if I want this over here in Twitter. Return, Let's set up Twitter. Client will parse. Should we? This is a good question. This makes a good argument for some kind of... Well, security doesn't matter. If security doesn't matter. Right? Like... What if instead of storing everything as environment variables, I stored it as a JSON file? Then I could just parse the JSON. And then there could be a command to literally add a Twitter client. That would allow them to augment that as well. I mean, I did want them to live in the database at one point. I still don't know if I want them to live in the database. Which this would essentially replicate. Let's go with, for now, parsing a JSON file. And then we will think about, maybe moving that stuff to the database at one point. The JSON on the local JSON file with Twitter credentials and set up clients that connect to the Twitter API. I mean, that's pretty much what it does. We don't need to ping it or anything. That can be a separate step. Like I said, I'm going to move this back. Because I want this to be a little bit testy. So we do want a new client. We will want right, because it doesn't really... Oh, this is new client. I don't want a new client. I think I have to actually do it on the name. Dang it, it didn't. Okay, well, I'll just write it. Go, we'll call it func. Test, setup, Twitter client. T, Twitter testing. T. We're gonna need, which is gonna want to have JSON credentials, and this can be slice of byte. We're going to want to have not a context, a file reader. We basically want to be able to take a set of JSON credentials and say we have a want credentials, which is a slice from your Twitter credentials. And then, not that. Then we have a want error, which we're just gonna make an error, which can be nil, right? The first one we want name. Oh, we want it to also have a name. And so this should be the one that replicates what we already have. Then we'll have one that replicates the many, and then we'll need to have like a, yeah, so we'll have name, setup, one client, we'll have JSON credentials, blah blah blah, want error, nope, would be false, which is the default. Name, setup, many clients, name, and then this would be fail to read JSON. And then there's probably going to be a lot of variations of this, because I do think that we'll have lots of reasons to fail. And then we'll do for test case range. I don't know why my test generator wasn't working today, but I'm also kind of happy. TT. We'll have a func. No, it should be t.run. Func. T. Testing.t. And then I think this is actually really pressing it. Cross your fingers. Oh, and we pass in the name at some point. I have some generated tests in here somewhere. Oh, trun, tt function, t-testing. And we don't actually pass anything else in. Cool. Why do I have this open twice? I want this whole thing. That's what I want. So now we're going through the names, and it's not TT name, it's TC name. Because I have them backwards, don't I? They do tests. let's do that then. Let's keep it consistent with how my generated one works. Tests, TT, tests, and TT. So here, we would call, well, what we would need to do, because we're saying that the JSON is stored locally, right? So there's a couple of things we can do. Instead of having this be JSON credentials, we can have this be JSON file name. And then we could just have several test files that don't get uploaded with the binary that would only live when we actually test, which not a bad idea. Be some. No, we can just have a series of file names. And that could be an argument, and then we'll just have a default. And this can be JSON file name is an optional command line flag that we don't have set up. Command line flag for JSON file. We should probably also to do add flag for optional DB configs. Everything that I do as an environment variable can probably also be a command line optional flag, especially if we have the ability to, like, oh my goodness, taking files, right? Because then you can expand it to be like, oh, my app has like a YAML file, or my app has a JSON file that like sets up everything. So then, right, all you have to do is associate the file with what you need. Oh, that's interesting. I just got distracted by dogs. The things that distract me. Dogs and Lego videos. Which you can't see, but like always distracting me, those Lego videos. Super important. Right? So that means that our setup Twitter clients would take our TP JSON file name and it would return a got client error if want error, if not want error, right? If not want error, and error is not equal to nil. error. And then over here we'll do we can just do a length comparison. If length of client, because I don't know with the pointers, right? Because they're both pointers. That's not going to quite be able to do a reflect deep equals. We could check individual fields, right? But we'll start with that. T dot fatal error. Fatal F, actually. And then we'll say length of expected length, and then equals blah, actual length, blah, length, and this would be TT period, this is TT period, and this is TT period. Right? I think I actually just wrote a test. One error. Oh, I like that better than full error. Why is Copilot not generating stuff for me? Disable restart? Oh. Sorry, do you want this to be Boolean then? Oh, how much? 1 second. I owe my sister money. I got paid today, so I have to pay everybody back $67. It's my parents' 50th golden wedding anniversary. And let me tell you, my parents had 9 children. Of the 9 children, 1 is estranged. So of the 8 remaining, we are trying to put together this beautiful anniversary party for my parents. My parents are 70, and they only want one thing. They want their kids together, and they want their kids happy. The only way their kids are happy is if all of the kids' grandchildren are happy. It is impossible to keep all 27 grandchildren happy at the same time, which means all of the parents are mad, which means my parents have a horrible time. Literally impossible feat what we're trying to accomplish here. Add that, people don't want to spend too much money. We don't want to spend too little money. We want to do things together, but we hate doing things together. We love each other in 3-hour doses. Being together for 3 days, that's like what? 72 divided, 24 times. I was like, how do you do that? 24 times the recommended amount of Peterson sibling exposure. So it'll be fun. I was going to be involved in planning it, and then the older siblings took it away from me, thank goodness. Because we all know that would have been a nightmare. So So we're gonna call this test Twitter client test Twitter single valid. .json. And then we just need to have some valid JSON. Oh, okay. My dog is trying to sit on the bed. What on earth are you breaking, dog? The other thing I need to know is I need to go over here, back to setup, and all of the fields, right? Like I need these are the 4 fields I need, and then I think even here. No. Okay. Yeah, I need those 4 fields. Okay. Let's go find a JSON pretty. So we're going to have a slice. So we're gonna have JSON. How do you make a slice in JSON? I can do this really well. But going from, I can go from Go to JSON. Going backwards is hard. How do you make a slice in JSON? Oh, I wanted to be there. Why did I get out of that? I don't know what that is. So I want a JSON. How do you do, what's a slice in JSON? JSON slice? Are they even called slices in JSON? JSON array. Okay, they are that way. So we want an array of JSON objects. So should probably be Twitter client, which is that, right? And then you would have this. Good. Do that. We would need consumer secret. XYZ. They have some test ones on the Twitter API actually. Twitter API test OAuth. Yep. We're just doing OAuth 1A. And yes. I know. No, I don't want that. Somewhere they have examples of this. Oh look, they do. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, let's go back here. What do we need? Okay, we need consumer key, consumer secret, access token, and access secret. Okay, consumer secret, consumer key, consumer secret, access. Should these be in? Do these things also need to be in token, access, secret? right? Consumer key. Consumer, this is the access token. This is the access secret. And then what was the consumer secret? API key secret. They don't have an example of that? They do somewhere, I know, because it was in the thing where I had to create a signature. Told you it was there. That looks identical. Anyway. Oh, and then we should validate. Okay, so these do all need to have that. For some kind of type inference. Oh yeah, you don't want that. Oh yeah. What do you mean it's expecting like this? Oh, this is valid. This is not. What about if I get rid of this? Do they have a separate set of them? Like this OAuth token secret, which was the access secret, it is different. Sweet. So I can do this. And get a separate set of them. Okay, consumer secret, we're gonna use twice. OAuth token secret. Doesn't matter, they just have to be the correct format. Consumer key. That seemed like a really long consumer key. Guess it's not. And then we needed the API key. No, the OAuth token is what we needed. There we go. Whoa, 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 whoa. That didn't copy. So this is many. Cool. Don't do that. JSON. So this would be test Twitter single. That's a heck of a name. Why didn't anybody tell me that was a heck of a name? JSON. JSON file name, sorry. And this is, right now it's name. We'll call it many and then rename it. If I could spell many. Right now, this one does not have a file, which is fine. We're gonna have to have a default though, which it will probably fail at. And now I'm looking at Legos again. I want the Lego. It's called the Lego Nano Gauntlet. It is Iron Man's gauntlet from when Iron Man snaps his finger and dies. I forgot what happens when the Hulk tries to do that in the show. Anyway. And I'm here for want Twitter clients. We're just comparing length. Oh, great. Oh, they have an Oh, Twitter's a beast. I wonder if I can just make an empty one. Right, like this. Yeah, I know it's redundant, but I don't know how else to do it. What if I did, instead of that, I just I'm only matching a link. Right? What if I said, want Twitter client, want number, there we go, want number clients. There we go. And this is an int. Oh, I figured it out. 1. Two. Oh, we'll maybe use that. There we go. Now we have a want number of clients. That works out pretty well, don't you think? So, who in the US has Monday off? I do. And I'm going to try and take my dogs on an early morning hike before it gets hot because I want to do that. Oh, cool. So now I have my test set up. Now I have to actually write the code. So we should be able to do an F error equals os dot. We should be able to just read the file, right? And then we have if error equals nil. Return like we've always been returning. Return nil, comma, font.errorf. Do a nice little wrap at the end. Failed to get JSON credential file. And then this should be pretty easy. I think we can actually do a JSON decoder. No error here. So no error there. And then we'll need a client struct. No, we don't. We'll do it into a map. Because the struct's going to be redundant. So it already doesn't need to be a struct. And then we'll do credentials. Oh, but it's a slice. I'm sorry, I'm the worst. I do not like doing things without structs. I don't think I need it anywhere else though. Credentials. then you would do what we have are, this would be closer to what we have up here, right? We'd have a slice of whatever it's called. Twitter client. It's a horrible name. We'll call it bot. No, we'll call it API credentials. And this would be JSON until I change it. Client, what we call it, Twitter client. Which is a slice struct. And then this one would then have OAuth, consumer key, the type string, JSON, consumer key, OAuth, consumer secret, string. Come on, Copilot, you're making my life really hard right now. You totally could have filled this in. OAuth, access token, this would just be access token, and then OAuth, access secret, for cred underscore cred range. This is gonna have to go to the end. Credentials. I'll take that. A pointer to credentials. Error. If error not equal nil, then you return nil. Chunk dot error f failure to decode API credential JSON. Oh no, not that. No, that's, yeah. That's because that's supposed to be secret.
Here comes a new challenger. Say it be challenge.
No new variables on the left side there. No, that's correct.
Beware.
Missing read?
Ahead of you will either be your destiny or
How this read file? It does have an f.read, but it looks like I should have just done an open if I want to do it that way. Undeclared W. Oh, yeah, that is an undeclared W. We have one more thing to make the Twitter client, and then we append that to our clients, which we don't have. Right? That should make sense. Doesn't like this. Oh yeah, I knew that. And where's your JSON tag? This won't work unless they're exported. Which is one reason to use a map. Right? Because we have no need to export these at all. But this was set at one point. So it'd be, what did we call it something stupid like Twitter clients. Right? Oh my goodness. There we go. And that is exactly how we make them. So now if I go here, and I go test compile, no. Cool. And I should be able to go pay, client, setup. So I should be able to go test, and I should be able to run. Run equals test, setup, Twitter. One of these is valid. It might be like this. No search file or directory. That's because I was running it from the main one. Let's try this in client. Oh, is it saying the many one was invalid? Oh, that's because many's not a name. Is rename a... We need to move, because move is also the same thing as rename. Client, Twitter name to client, this, but instead of name, have it be many. Oh, right, I do have to do, I forgot, it's github.com/ForgeUtah/tweet, what's it called? Oh, it's in Arco. Good to know that it's still mine. It is go test GitHub. Oh, come on. github.com/soypete/tweet automated bot. No, that's exactly what it is. Don't even. So what is it? Is it not that anymore? Is it Forge Utah now? That's what I thought. Yeah. Oh, capital P. There we go. That's not what I wanted. No, I don't want that. Well, I'm glad it works. That didn't mean squat. But here's why it doesn't mean squat. Okay, well, let's change this to 1. And that's easier. The last one still passed. I'm not convinced about that one yet. It wanted error true. If not want error. Oh, I don't check the error if it is. Right, like I just say, oh, we want an error. No such file. Oh, that's exactly what I wanted. Okay. That's exactly what I wanted. There's no other errors really because client setup, like this doesn't do anything else. Well, the only other thing I guess we could do is if we had bad credentials. Want to do that? So this is filtered JSON, and this is no file. We're going to call this fail, and that's so we want to have something like this. What if we make the key a number? I really don't want to record that. No. And we're going to move it because it's going to be named valid and it's going to be single invalid. Invalid, because that's a better naming scheme. Oh, my camera froze! How long ago did my camera freeze? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. pretty rockin' tune. Oh, somebody put the Jurassic Park Lego. So they released the Jurassic Park. You can't see me. They've released a bunch of Jurassic Park Legos for the new movie, and they released one, the only one I like, which is the original Tyrannosaurus Rex scene from movie number 1. So somebody took that, and it's just basically a flat scene. It has the 2 Jeeps, right, like the original Tor Jeeps, the broken wire fence, and the giant T-Rex. They took that scape, and then they're putting it, like, they put it on top of the, not Eiffel Tower, Statue of Liberty. They put it on top of a building. They put it on top of, like, the Bugles, the newspaper Lego set. Like, they're just taking the T-Rex and putting it everywhere like it's supposed to be for Jurassic World. Get it? Who named it WWW? Oh my goodness. And it's single invalid. And we want, oh, let's put a want error false. Let's see if it fails. Sweet. Now we should see if it passes. Killer. So now, I don't know what step that was on the ticket. That was this one, kind of, right? And now we need to... Oh, we weren't supposed to make it a slice. We were supposed to make it a map. The length is still fine to check, but the map makes it a little bit easier. The only thing is I now have to go in and add a name because they don't know what the name is. Because they need to have a handle, essentially. So here, we need to add a Twitter handle. Which is a string. Don't even say, but you're not using it. That's because this is supposed to be a map string pointer to the client, blah blah blah. This is also supposed to be a map string pointer to the client, blah blah blah. So now, instead of appending it, we're going to say clients, and this will be cred.Twitter handle. Oh, that needs to be exported. What? Oh, that's right. This won't work. You have to do a make. Because with maps, you have to allocate the bytes associated to the maps. Before you set up the file. Look at me doing all of this CSE stuff. Look at me. We got 1 Twitter sub today. Only, how many more? 7 more? To reach our goal. And it is not Twitter subs, Twitch subs. Twitch.tv/soyp01. I just tweeted. So let's go to our test ones, right? Because now we need to update the single valid with a Twitter handle. And this one can do that. These are not valid credentials, by the way. Test credentials from Twitter API. Let's do this and we'll call this test user. Just to like make it as blatantly obvious as possible that this is not a real person. Twitter handle. That's how you spell handle, right? Test user. Twitter handle. Other users. Twitter handle test user. Okay. What does it mean? Oh. There we go. I had invalid JSON, that was the only problem. Go test. What? No. should be other user. It's clearly not using the same one twice. Why did that mess it up? Just length of a map. Length of a map should still be the same. Wait, let me just go print that map real quick. That should be the same. It does only have one. It's a good thing I got these tests working, or else I would be debugging things. It'd be a lot harder to debug all these things. How about because it's doing a blank Twitter handle each time? Method for accepting many Twitter users. Right, that's what we did. Add, we'll say publish, yeah, connect and publish too many accounts, not even close. Add a comment here. Oh, I have to do this first. Credentials from Twitter API. Actually, let's go ahead and say this one's ready for review because it doesn't. We will add that to the client, right? We don't need to do anything with it yet. It can live there for a while without actually being used. So what we'll do here is, now that we have all that garbage, we will do tclients equals setup Twitter clients, and then this we'll do right now we're just gonna log it. Do we have a log framework we're using? Oh, we're just doing a regular log. It can remain now. Git add, git commit, message, client, add Twitter, client map, client object. And that is ready to go. We will enable auto merge. We'll add reviewers. The only people that review anything I write. And we will post this to the /. Cool. I'm good with that. I think we are good to go. For now. And we'll be back next week. It was nice to actually get some code committed. I think, to be fair, that was probably one of my biggest, hurdles this week, is just not being able to commit code for whatever reason, variety of reasons. And it has nothing to do with the quality of my code, but has everything to do with, things outside of my control, which really sucks. So it was nice to get that done. Makes me feel like way better. So while we're here, I think this is a good place to stop, and I will see you next time. Thank you for hanging out with me, for subscribing, for chatting, for lurking, whatever you felt necessary. And I will see you on the flippity flop. Flippity flop is usually where we end up. You know. That's what we thought.